Pitso Mosimane is once again attracting interest from the international stage, but the veteran tactician may have bigger plans at home. The 61-year-old has been strongly linked with vacant Mali national football team coaching position following the departure of Tom Saintfiet. Reports suggest Malian football authorities are keen to secure a high-profile appointment and placed Mosimane among their top candidates. However, the competition is fierce. The shortlist is believed to include seasoned names such as Have Renard and Walid Regragui, both of whom bring extensive international experience. Mosimane, affectionately known as Jingles, has been without a club since parting ways with Esteghlal FC in January 2025. Since then, he has been linked to the multiple roles across Africa and the Middle East, including a brief association with the Ghana national football team job before Carlos Queiroz was appointed. While the Mali role presents an enticing opportunity offering a chance to guide a talented squad toward continental and global success, Mosimane's current focus appears rooted closer to home. In a notable shift, he has dedicated much of his energy to youth development through his expanding football academy structure. His recent acquisition of Israel Athletic FC status in the Gauteng Development League signals a long-term commitment to nurturing the next generation of South African talent. Speaking about the initiative, Mosimane emphasized the importance of building from the ground up rather than investing at the top level. He believes sustainable success lies in developing players and coaches within schools and communities, creating a structured pathway that can ultimately feed into South Africa's elite football ecosystem. The project, spearheaded under the Pitso Mosimane Soccer Schools banner, aims to mirror the success of the renowned School of Excellence. Central to this vision is a strong emphasis on coaching quality, with plans underway to introduce a detailed football manual to stabilize development methods across the program. Managing Director Moira Takhale highlighted that the initiative is designed to create a fully integrated system from the grassroots to elite level that can consistently produce players capable of representing South African national football team. For Mosimane, the mission is clear. Rather than simply coaching the present, he is intent on shaping the future of South African football. Whether the era of international management with Mali will be enough to pull him away from that vision remains to be seen. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.